Let us talk about the scrolling bug on the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchy here, back with another video. And if you have the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro, you must have read some headlines that the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro suffer from a scrolling bug. Now, first of all, we're going to see what is this scrolling bug which everybody is talking about. There are two kinds of scrolling bugs which people are facing on the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. The first one is related to horizontal scrolling. So here it is. This is my recents. And if I try to scroll like this, it does not scroll. So what I'm doing over here is I am pressing, holding, and I am trying to swipe over to the next recent and it just bounces back. So this is one video which you will find on the YouTubes. In this situation, I think all you need is a small swipe and it works absolutely fine. So a little swipe like this works absolutely fine. However, if you press and hold and then try to swipe it, it doesn't work, and it's not limited to the Pixel 7. This here is the Pixel 6. Let us try that swipe over here as well. There it is. If you press and hold and swipe, it doesn't work. You have to do a little swipe like this, like a flick kind of swipe. And if I do this on my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, here it is. It doesn't work like that in my humble opinion. So the horizontal bug or the horizontal scrolling issue, I think, is a non-issue, but that is just me. The other issue is about the vertical scrolling, wherein if you are scrolling vertically like this, then there are jitters, there are lags in the UI, and that I think is a bug, and that should not happen on a flagship device like the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. Now, on my Pixel 7, luckily, I do not have that scrolling bug wherein the UI is janky or it stutters when you are scrolling vertically. But there are other people out there who have this issue. Now, the next question you will ask me is, hey Manchi, what do we do if we have this vertical scrolling issue wherein the UI is a bit janky when you are scrolling vertically? For starters, I would test it in the settings app, or you can test it in developer options whether your UI is getting janky when you scroll it or your UI is not getting janky. Why am I using the developer options? That is because there's nothing to cache over here, and if you're using your Twitters or your Google feeds, there's always content to cache, and it could be an app issue as well. So using the developer options eliminates all those variables of saying that there is something wrong with the app or the app is not optimized properly for the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. So my suggestion, use developer options or use the main settings page. Now, there is a bug open on the Google issue tracker for Android, and it has been marked as priority 2 and severity is also 2. It is already assigned to someone at Google, so I'm pretty sure Google is looking into that issue. That bug is linked in the description of the video. So what you can do is you can go ahead and star that bug so that the more stars it gets, the more Google will have to look into it, or there will be more pressure on Google to fix this bug immediately. Other than that, if you do not have time to wait for Google to respond to this scrolling issue on the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro, then your best option is to go ahead and return the device and get a replacement or a refund.